Hey there, developers. Are you grappling with CORS, also known as cross-origin resource sharing, issues while developing your API in Laravel? Don't fret. These problems can be a real headache, but I'm here to help you navigate them with a step-by-step guide. First, let's understand what we're dealing with. CORS issues typically pop up when your front-end application, hosted on one domain, tries to access resources or APIs located on another domain. Browsers have this security feature which can sometimes block requests, causing those pesky errors. So how do we tackle this? Step 1. Implement a CORS middleware. We'll create a custom middleware named CORS.php. This middleware will handle CORS headers for all incoming requests. Here's a snippet of code to illustrate how you can do that. Now, on to step 2. We integrate this middleware into your application's HTTP kernel. Once the middleware is defined, the kernel will use it to handle all incoming requests. And finally, step 3. We create a response function. This function will include CORS headers automatically, making your life a whole lot easier. Still feeling a bit lost in the labyrinth of Laravel middleware? No worries, mate. Remember, the CORS.php needs to be stashed in the right place and tamed into your kernel. Think of it as uncovering buried treasure, but with less pirate action and more code. And here's a bonus tip for you. Verify authorization tokens in the controller constructor. This will enhance your API's security, ensuring that every request is authenticated and authorized. Here's a little code to show you how to do that. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can effectively resolve core issues in your Laravel API development. Implementing CORS middleware, creating a response function, and adding some bonus security measures will ensure a smooth and secure communication between your front end and back end. And with that, we've come to the end of our guide. I hope you found this helpful. Remember, every problem has a solution, and CORS is no different. So get back to your coding and make something amazing. Happy coding, folks.